So today, me and my boys are gonna try the new Nutella ice cream. And for those of you that have tried the Nutella spread, man, that thing is pretty fire. I mean, we can't live without it in this house. So we're gonna test this out and we're gonna let you guys know our honest opinion on this. And hopefully you guys enjoy it. Let us know in the comments. So first thing, let's open this baby up. And by the way, I actually bought 3 of these for after because I believe it's gonna be amazing. What do you guys think?
I think it's gonna be good.
It's gonna be good.
You think it's gonna be good?
Yeah.
All right.
Yo, hold on, let me do that thing.
You wanna do that thing? He wanna open up the top. So first thing, let me show you how it looks first. All right. Looks pretty healthy. Not. But it's ice cream. All right,
Let me open
we're
that
about
thing.
to take off the top. Go ahead. Oh, dang. All right, so first things first, what we got in top? It looks like
Frozen Nutella?
Is that frozen Nutella? Oh,
Yeah.
dang, yeah. Look at that. Listen to that, guys. Can you hear that in the mic?
Yeah, you gotta like use
like
like an
hard-
ice pick. Nutella.
Nutella top. Oh, dang.
Smells really good.
Smells good?
Yeah.
Guys, check this out. We about to try it out right now.
I call the first bite. I call the second.
I get the first bite because it's my channel.
Second.
Yeah,
I call second.
nice hard chocolate casing on top, guys. Alright. My mouth's already watering, guys. Hopefully y'all are too. Y'all go run and get it. I'm gonna put the link in the comments in the description, guys, where you can get this at too.
Aw, come on.
What? Nah, this thing is fire. Who's next?
Me. Home, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah.
No.
Hurry up, hurry up. It don't matter. What do you guys think?
It's very good.
Thumbs up or thumbs down? What do you guys think? So guys, this thing is amazing. I mean, it tastes just like the Nutella spread with ice cream. And we're definitely gonna kill this right now
Wait, try
after this
it.
video.
Wait, try it without the Nutella top.
Let me see. Look at that, guys. And just like little pieces of chips, chocolate chip. Not chocolate chip, but like pieces of chocolate inside the ice cream.
Hold on.
I'm feeding the babies.
Man.
Hey.
Alright. Guys, definitely is worth it. And you can't just buy one, guys. You're gonna have to buy 2, 3, 4, or 5.
You better
or
buy
6,
it.
or even 10.
You better buy it. I'm watching you.
See you guys in the next one. Let me know if you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys get it, and let me know what you guys think when you do try it. Because like I said, this thing is slamming, fire. Every little good thing in life is okay with Nutella ice cream.